Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the QuickBooks desktop application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to do a Google search and type in QuickBook desktop app and then click on the first result here. Then from here, it's going to show us how to download and use the QuickBooks Online Desktop app. So give it a quick read, scroll down to the bottom here, and now it's going to say here, download and install the app. So here's how to get the QuickBooks Online app for your computer. So step one, we want to go ahead and click on download for Windows, and that's going to start downloading straight away. Then from there, we've also got the chip for Apple Silicon or for processor. Now you might need to check your Mac's model or go to the Apple menu. And then, yeah, go ahead, once that finishes downloading, go ahead and run the installer. So when the installation is finished, a shortcut for the app appears on your desktop. If there isn't, just go ahead and type in QuickBooks in your search and open up the application that way. Then from there, go ahead and sign into your account. So sign in with your Intuit user ID and password. Now, if you have multiple QuickBook Online companies, select the company you want to open.